Hi, come along with me today on a hike. This is another one of my grounding things that I do. And you'll see what the sign says. On the calendar, it looks like it says Foster Botanical Garden, but this is the one I'm doing today. Listen to the birds. Now this is where you want to think about doing your meditation. As in one of my previous videos, I talked about meditating anywhere, and you can. But when you hear the sound of water like this, you've got birds that are flying around and birds that are singing, it just adds so much to that tranquility. And I'll do a video that just has the sound of the water. So peaceful, so peaceful. So peaceful. Listen to the sound of the water. Right now I'm on the side where the small waterfall is. It's so beautiful. On some of my videos, yes, I'm showing the different hikes and botanical gardens. And yes, I'll see a sign like this, and even though it's taking me a while to venture out to some of these places, it is surprising me when I'm continuously finding out that some of these places used to be underwater. And you see warnings, like this one, and it shows you, flood warning. So even though these places are extremely beautiful, you still have to maintain a sense of awareness. Maintain a sense of awareness about you, even when you go to the beaches, because you never know. One moment, the water can be beneath your feet, and the water can be at your ankles. Then all of a sudden, it sneaks up on you. So just stay aware while you are out and about experiencing the beauty of this amazing